Hey, I'm Taylor Cresswell, here to bring you another episode of the Tampa Virtual Real Estate Caravan. On this episode, you're going to see some stunning properties from different ages throughout the Tampa Bay area. From one of the coolest mid-century modern houses in Tampa to another two-story bungalow in Seminole Heights that everyone loves to see remodeled. Now, let's go see some properties so they know what you really want.
First up on Tampa Bay's Virtual Caravan is John LaRocca from Future Home Realty.
Hi everyone, I'm John LaRocca with Future Home Realty. I'm down here in beautiful South Tampa at 4212 West Wisconsin Ave. This is a mid-century modern that's going to blow you away. Sitting with 3 beds, 2.5 baths, just south of 2,200 square feet on a huge oversized lot, delivered by our friends at Hybrid Property Solutions. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Come on in and take a look. This is where the actual living happens. We have the open concept kitchen to family room area. We have a luxury vinyl plank floor that sprawls throughout, Brazilian wood accent island, quartz-side tops, shaker cabinetry, stainless steel appliances. Just look at that backsplash. This space really sets it off. Here we have the extended ensuite, which is sure to please. This space is light and bright, with enough space for any size furniture, 2 walk-in closets, but what's an ensuite without a true master bath? Come check this out. This luxurious master bath has a modern floating tub, shower with seamless glass and rainfall head, floating rubberwood double vanity, imported Italian tile, accent wall, and designer fixtures. This is a great escape from everyday life. I've enjoyed showing you around 4212 West Wisconsin Ave. This was truly a stunning transformation that you don't want to miss. If you have any questions or if you'd like an in-person tour, please feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope to see you soon.
Next up on your virtual caravan tour is Angela Galvis from Cell State Legacy Realty.
Hello Tampa, my name is Angela Galvis with Cell State Legacy Realty and the Florida Concrete Group. Today I would like to present to you 4535 Ashburn Square Drive. Let's take a look at this beautiful unit. You're gonna love the location and the floor plan. As we come in, we have a long hallway that takes us to the family living room and kitchen area. Perfect for entertaining your guests. We have living room, kitchen. And I'm going to take you to one of the best features of this unit. Looking for some relaxation time in the afternoon on your weekend? Here we have a beautiful patio with a conservation area. Let's take a look upstairs. As we come upstairs, the first room we're gonna find is gonna be your master bedroom. It's a huge room, master bedroom, that the owners have been using as an office space with its own private bathroom. go and take a look at the secondary bedrooms. But before we go there, I'm going to show you another beautiful feature of this unit. It makes it very different from any other townhouse. We have a loft area. You can use as an extra family room for the kids to play, even an extra office space. Here's your secondary bathroom upstairs. And here we have the 2 additional bedrooms. So here we go, guys. If you have any questions about this beautiful unit that is gonna go in the market pretty soon, just give us a call. Angela with the Florida Concrete Group.
And next up on our virtual tour is Alyssa Heenan, Keller Williams, South Tampa.
Hello, my name is Alyssa Heenan. Welcome to Heenan Homes' newest listing. We are located at 1123 East North Bay Street. This beautiful home is located in the neighborhood of Seminole Heights. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,584 square feet, and we're lovingly listed at $350,000. Come on in and take a peek.
Don't miss this next property with Pacey Realty's Rafael Torres.
What's going on, guys? This is Rafael. I'm here live at 608 North Lincoln Avenue. We're just south of 275 north of Kennedy, and we've got the Midtown project about 3 blocks from us over here on Himes. Check out this really cool West Tampa cottage. Nice enclosed front porch over there. You can enjoy your morning coffee or your evening wine. Coming into a nice dining room, living room area over there with the kitchen. So then you've got your first bedroom here, along with a full-size bathroom. Kitchen over here, bedroom over here on the left. You can actually still fit a queen-size bedroom here, although it might be a little tight squeeze. And then you've got a bathroom over here as well, with a 2-in-1 washer and dryer combo, also very spacious. And then you come out to my favorite part of the house here. Come out, you got a nice yard, you got furry friends all around. Cool concrete patio here. You can host, have friends over, great yard space to do it all. And if you have any questions, reach out 787-342-0606. Take care, guys.
And now presenting Lisa Reeves with Sea Salt Properties.
57 Albemarle comes with 3 good-sized bedrooms, 2 recently remodeled bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. It lives larger than its 1467 square feet with this open floor plan, wood flooring throughout, and plantation shutters. Come on, let's go see the kitchen. The kitchen has been updated with granite countertops and kitchen white cabinets, and this is a gas home. Check out the really large pantry. Towards the back of the house, you have additional closet storage and your bedrooms and baths. The 2 bedrooms are currently used as a guest and as a home office. And they share this gorgeous updated bathroom with designer finishes. The primary bedroom is large enough to fit a king-size bed, has new flooring, and a recently remodeled bathroom as well. Of course, no island oasis is incomplete with an outside area for entertaining. It has gorgeous landscaping and a screened-in patio, perfect for entertaining. Recent updates include a new air conditioning system, a new water heater, and a brand new roof. I hope you enjoyed your video tour. Please contact me for a private one.
We've arrived at the last listing on our caravan with James Thomas from Villa Homes.
Welcome to 2740 Lakeville Drive. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Open floor plan, split plan. Master's on one side, the bedroom's on the other side. It's nice with this new exterior paint and a new roof. Master to your right with the private bath. Walk-in shower. And the bedroom with the window that opens to the backyard. Living room with vaulted ceilings. And down the hall we got a garage, big 2-car garage in the back. 2 bedrooms, 2 guest bedrooms, and that share 1 bath with a tub shower combo. It's nice open, lots of windows, light and bright. We got a kitchen with a breakfast bar in the dining area. And this is the family room. Stone fireplace. This family uses this for a home gym and an office. And then down the hall this way, we've been there. Okay, let's go out back. is a preserve lot. This home has a variable speed air conditioning that's recently installed. It's really good on power. Keeps the house nice and cool, low humidity.
Perfect.
Now that you've reached the end of our caravan, a word from our sponsors.
Hi, my name is Amanda Majette, Tampa-based loan originator with Open Mortgage. Adding value to my realtor partners' business through open communication and personalized service is the cornerstone of my business. I specialize in loan types ranging from first-time home buyers all the way to multifamily investment properties and everything in between. So give me a call if there's anything I can ever do for you.
Hi, my name is Monica.Montiel and I am with Assured Partners. Assured Partners is a property and casualty insurance agency, and we specialize in homeowners and auto insurance throughout the entire state of Florida. We work with over 40 different carriers, so we can shop you around and help you find the lowest rates and the best coverages. Give me a call or shoot me an email for a quote today. Thank you.
Here at Milestone Title, we're more than just a title company. We always strive to go above and beyond not only your expectations, but also industry standards. We focus first and foremost on our customers, building relationships and providing top quality closing and escrow services.